beautifuls, welcome to ChicaView. Today I'm going to be doing, as you saw in the title of this video, a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing the Lace and Lashes hair tutorial. If you don't know who Laceandlashes is, she is a YouTuber here in the community. She does beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. She has this beautiful fashion haul. So if you are into buying clothes, you should go ahead and follow Laceandlashes because she does those awesome fashion hauls for you guys, and then you can end up decide whether you want to buy the item or not. She did recently a video on how she does her beautiful hair because she has long hair, just I would say the same length of mine or probably a little bit longer, but her hair is so beautiful. If you don't follow her, just go ahead and check out her YouTube channel or go and check out her Instagram and you will see what I'm talking about. Her hair looks so beautiful, so nice and wavy and dreamy. So most of us who follow her, we want to get the same hairstyle. So finally she made a video on how she gets her hair to look like that. I don't have the products that she recommended in her video, but I do obviously have my hair, and I have a hair iron that I'm going to use, and going to use the same tips or techniques that she uses when she does her hair to see if my hair would turn out to look the same as her. So yeah, so I just wanted to do this video to see if my hair will end up looking just like hers. And I'm going to be placing my picture here and her picture here once I'm done curling my hair, so that way you guys can judge and see if I guess I was successful on following her hair tips. Most likely probably my hair is not gonna look the same because I don't have the hairspray that she uses as texture before curling her hair, but I think if I use the same technique that she it uses to do her hair, my hair should kind of look almost like her hair. Let's go ahead and do this hair tutorial without any further ado. And okay, so the first thing we need to do is divide our hair in two sections, and that's what I'm going to do. And for me it's easy to divide my hair in two sections because I have a heart shape, if you can see, and I should be able to divide my hair in two sections based on that little heart shape. And let's see, so I'm just combing my hair, and again this hair is from last night, so I normally get very oily hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, and I don't like that. So all right, so then she divides it in 6 sections. I'm going to put my finger through my hair and grab a chunk of hair, put it across here, and then leave this section here, which I'm going to curl. I'm just going to show you one or two what is it called, samples of how she curls her hair, and then I'm going to fast forward the video so you guys don't get bored watching me curl my hair throughout this video. Now I'm going to put on my glove, and from here I am going to divide my hair, grab a small piece of hair, and then she grabs her iron and she puts it from her right hand side across her back. You know what I did, guys? I put the glove in the wrong hand. Okay, I hope I don't burn myself. So then she curls it like this, in this direction. And I need to switch this glove into this hand because I don't want to get burned. Okay, so this is just one example, and this iron that I have heats so fast your hair, and then I'm just gonna let it go. I just wait like 5 seconds, okay, as you can see, and then I'm just gonna leave it there. Okay, you don't touch it. And now let me change the glove. Jesus, how can I forget that I would need to use this hand and not this hand? Okay, Alrighty, so now we switch the glove, sorry. We grab this piece and do the same thing. Put it across behind our head and then put it this way and going in, towards in and then out like that. And then the tip of your hair it needs to be coming out this way, and then you know that you're curling your hair the right way. So that's her technique. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just do the rest of my hair. I'm going to fast forward this video so you guys don't get bored watching me do this in slow motion. Done curling my hair, and I'm just gonna wait a little bit until it actually cools down before I brush it with the brush. Okay, so my hair has already cooled down, and what she recommends to do next is to actually spray the texture spray into your brush and then comb your hair so that way it can give that hairspray, you know, into your hair as you're combing it, so that way it is better distributed into your hair and your hair will stay looking like this, curled for a long period of time. But I don't have the hairspray, I just have my comb, so I'm just going to brush my hair now the way how she advises to do so, so you can have that nice and wavy hair. My hair, as you can see, is very static. I think I needed definitely I think I need that texture hairspray so my hair looks more bouncy, and it's looking okay, but I think I do need the hairspray. Now let me do this section. Oof, can you hear? Can you see all that hair? This is normally how her hair looks, so bouncy like that and so beautiful. But my hair, yeah, this is how it looks. Probably I needed to weight more on this side so my hair will look just like hers, but oh well. I guess my hair is not that long. My hair is shorter than hers. Okay. And I don't have any bangs and she has bangs. My hair needs a haircut, as you guys can see. I do curl my hair, but I try not to do it that much anymore. Because I don't like to damage it, because as it is already, I have dry scalp and it's bothering me too much to have dry scalp. I'm sure you guys probably saw some little white flakes and that's not pretty. Okay, beautiful, so this is how my hair looks after I brushed it, after I tried to fix it. I definitely think my hair probably needed that hairspray that she uses for texture, so it can give more volume and so the curls can stay for a longer period of time. I'll be placing her picture and my picture here so you guys can really compare both of our hairs, and you'll see that her hair is so beautiful, so perfect, so wavy. Mine turned out to be okay. You really cannot tell because my hair is very dark and brown, so the camera and the ring light that I have is like my hair waves get lost due to the shine, to the light. But I do see it here in person that it looks wavy. It's just not transferring the same in the camera. But definitely I think I still need that hairspray to give it more texture, to give it more volume, and to probably make my hair more bouncy. So as soon as I get that hairspray, I'll be making a second video to see the difference of now, you know, and how my hair actually turns out using that hairspray. And I'll be giving you my review on that hairspray, if I really recommend it or not, if it just makes a difference. But anyways, I think that's that. If you like anything that I'm wearing, like my t-shirt and my earrings or my makeup, I'll be putting all that information in the description box below. To start, if you like jewelry, just know that these earrings are from my jewelry website, which I have, which is www.chicaview.com. Everything there ranges between $6 to $18. Mainly everything, I think the average is like 14 bucks. So yeah, so I sell jewelry online. I sell trendy jewelry, try to sell trendy jewelry that is trending in Instagram. So if you like anything in Instagram, go ahead and check out my website. Most likely you probably will find that earring in my website. And yeah, so these earrings are so beautiful. There, you will find them there on my website if you like this beautiful flower earrings. I believe they cost $14. So yeah, so if you are into jewelry or accessories, headbands, necklaces, then I recommend you ladies to go ahead and check out my website and give it a share to this video, give it a like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding to the hair iron that I use, the lip gloss that I'm probably wearing, I don't know, my jewelry, and I guess that's that. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this video, and again, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to answer to your question as soon as possible. And I'll be seeing you into the next video. You guys take care. Bye bye.